Here's what you need to know at this moment. There's no hashtags, there's no captions. This is just for you. And I feel like you know it too, don't you? Every day that you wake up, for the next week at minimum, I want you to wake up and one of the first things you think and say is, I am so grateful I have woken up in my highest and best timeline now. I am so grateful I woke up in my highest and best timeline now. I am so grateful I woke up in my highest and best timeline now. Okay? I want you to say that every morning that you wake up. It's a simple, quick hack for you to be able to wind up being in your highest and best timeline. One of the ways to do it is by telling yourself and the universe that's what you want. So when you wake up every day for the next week at minimum, and you say, yes, I am so grateful, I'm so happy I woke up in my highest and best timeline, the universe will attract and create that for you because you're manifesting it by starting your day deciding you're in your highest timeline for yourself. Now, I know that sounds almost like bullshit, but I've been using it and it fucking works. It really, really does. So every time you wake up, I don't care if it's raining out, if it's sleeting, if it's shitty, if it's nice, one of the first thing you do, whether it's peeing first and then saying it or saying it before your feet hit the floor, I need you to think and say out loud, because out loud causes it to be magic. Remember, words spoken become magic. That's why abracadabra is an actual phrase. It's a reality. It's a cool thing. So use your voice, use your energy, and use your words to create that magic for yourself. I am so grateful that I woke up in my highest and best timeline now. The more you do it, the more you force the universe to give you that reality. And force in a way of like, they go, okay, no problem, I agree with it. But the only way to really get there is to decide that you're getting there. Deciding that you are there now instead of, people leave it very open-ended even though they say positive statements. So remember, it needs to be a positive present tense. That's why we're using the word now. I'm so grateful that I now woke up in my highest and best timeline. This forces the universe to hear that you are talking about right now in this moment and not just some open-ended possibility of time. Every day that you're doing that, you're solidifying that is now a fact instead of what you're trying just to manifest. You're turning your statements into a reality, and that's what you want, so that you have your highest and best timeline for yourself and you're living a life of blessings. All right? Hope that helps someone out there. Share it with somebody who needs it.